walking down the street, minding your own business in front of a commercial establishment, and you trip and fall over a very uneven piece of sidewalk. Well, what do you do? Hi, my name is Peter Lamont, and I'm a business and personal law attorney practicing here in the state of New Jersey. I want to talk today a little bit about a commercial landowner's duties to maintain sidewalks that abut their premises, right, or are in front of or directly connected to their premises, and what your remedies could be when they fail to live up to their duties. Now, in New Jersey, a commercial landowner has what's called a non-delegable duty to maintain in a safe condition any sidewalk abutting or next to, surrounding their commercial premises. So what does that mean? Oftentimes a commercial landowner will rent their premises to a commercial tenant. So I own a building, let's say, and I rent the space to a hair salon. There's a sidewalk that's right in front of the hair salon. And you, the plaintiff, are walking down the street minding your own business, and you trip and fall over a very uneven piece of sidewalk, a sidewalk slab that's raised, a significant amount, quarter of an inch, half an inch, whatever it might be. And you fall and you injure yourself. Well, what do? Well, the first thing you should do is immediately, if you can get up and you don't need assistance, go into the establishment, go into the business, and advise the people in the business that you tripped and fell in front of their property. And ask them if they have an accident form or some sort of way to report to the owner of the business that an injury occurred. Now, the next thing you may want to do is, if you're really injured, ask somebody to call the ambulance for you. If not the ambulance, call the police. Fill out a police report. Now, why do you want to do these things? Well, if you're injured because you've fallen over a sidewalk in front of a commercial property, you want to be able to document the fact that your injury, assuming you're injured, is a direct cause of your fall. So you want to be able to prove it. You want to be able to prove that you were there, you fell, and you want to tell somebody about it. So that's why you want to report it to the business owner. You may need to call the police, and if you're really injured, call the ambulance and go get it checked out. Now, getting back to the non-delegable duty. Well, again, what does that mean? Well, here's what it means. When I, the landowner, rent the space to the hair salon, I may in my contract say to the hair salon, you are completely responsible for maintaining that sidewalk. I don't want to know anything about it. If somebody falls, it's your responsibility. Well, let's say that the hair salon doesn't have any insurance, and there's not enough money for them to pay you, the plaintiff, for the damages that you sustained when you fell. Well, in New Jersey, a commercial landowner can't simply avoid liability by saying, I signed a lease with the hair salon, so I'm off the hook. If they don't have insurance, I'm sorry, I can't help you. That's not how it works in New Jersey. Landowner is responsible. Now, it's different in residential home ownership and sidewalks and conditions that are abutting your property in a residential setting. But we're talking today about commercial landowners. So if you are the victim of a trip and fall in front of or near a commercial owned property, and I'm talking about a store or a business, and you're hurt, go and report it to the business owner. Let them know. Call the police if necessary. And then if you're really injured, don't be afraid to go seek medical treatment. Now, if you have any questions about a landowner's non-delegable duty or your rights as an injured pedestrian, I encourage you to pick up the phone and give me a call. I answer questions like this on a daily basis, and I'd be happy to talk about your legal situation with you. I can be reached via telephone at 973-949-3770 or via email at plamont, that's Lamont, at peterlamontesq.com. Thanks for joining me.